Good morning kids, how are you today? Today you will learn to state the fraction of hundreds, to name and say percentage, to recognize the symbol of percentage, and represent the percentage in decimals and vice versa. You have to know what is percentage. Percentage is over 100. So the symbol of 100 is shown as in this picture. You can find the example of percentage in daily life. For example, in school, when you get your exam paper. Okay, by looking at these two exam paper, you can see the first one is 88 over 100 and then the second one is 91 over 100. So 88 over 100 is 88%, and then 91 over 100 is 91%. Look at this example. There is 100 square grid. Okay, there is 26 shaded from 100. So 26 of 100 is 26 over 100 or 2600. 26 over 100 in percentage is written as 26%. So we can read this one 26%. This is another example of 100 square grid. From the square grid you can see that 74 out of the square was shaded. So 74 of 100 is 74 over 100. 74 over 100 in percentage is written as 74%. We read it as 74%. Now look at this square grid. Look at the first one here. So write the percentage above. From the first picture here, there are 47% of the square was shaded. And then the second square grid here, 35% or 35 out of 100 square was shaded. So when you change it to fraction, it is 35 over 100. So in decimal it is 0.35. This is 8%. Now we want to change 8% to decimal. So 8% is equal to 8 over 100. So 8 over 100 is 800. So we read it as 800ths. So we want to know where is the place value of 8. So 8 is in the place value of hundreds here. So 800ths in decimal is 0.08. By looking at the picture, we can see it clearly that 8% is 0.08. So 8% is 0.08. This is 0.69. We want to change it to fractions and percentage. Now by using the number line, we start from 0.65. So 0.65 is 65 over 100. And then 0.66, it is 66 over 100 in fraction. Goes to 0.68 in fraction, it is 68 over 100, and 0.69 in fraction, it is 64. 9/100. So 0.69 in percentage is 69%. Now let's try to answer this question. Okay, question number 1. Write the fractions of hundreds and percentage of the colored part. Okay, look at A. The colored part is 80/100. So in percentage, it is 80%. For B, the colored square is 95/100. So in percentage, it is 95%. Now look at the second question. State in decimal. For A, 25%. 25% in decimal is 0.25. For B, 3% in decimal is 0.03. And then the third question here, state in percentage. For A, 0.42, so in percentage it is 42%. And then for B, 0.07, in percentage it is 7%. What did you learn today? Today, you already learned how to write and read the percentage in words and numerals. You also have learned to write fraction and decimal for the percentage. And the last one, you also have learned how to state the decimal of percentage and vice versa. So I hope all of you understand about today's topic, and I will see you again in the next class. Thank you.